Yeah.
fast person. I'm not over energetic and a fast person.
Ow!
Ellie. Hey.
Okay, I'm done. It's not me!
Tucker. Not you. Shh. Ellie. Ellie. Oh no, TB.
My name is Kayla. I'm 21. Kayla is
Ellie, stop watching TV.
complex person. She has big dreams and goals.
When she makes up her mind to do something, she can really do it.